Hey, 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 happy April 1, April 1st, new day, new week, new camera, new month, new quarter. Hi, 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 thank you very much for joining. How are you, everybody? Hi, Avishai, Nochai, Amir, Eli, Iris, thank you very much for joining. Let me know that you see me well, hear me. How is the sound? Let me know how is the sound. Do you hear me well? How do you hear me? Super important for me to understand. How do you hear me?
Let's change. Maybe it's this. Now you hear me better? Let's see now.
Let me know how is the sound. Do
Uh,
you hear me well? How do you hear me? Super important for me to understand. How do you hear me?
Little bit echo. Now it's much better. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. My volume. I cannot increase my volume. I need to increase from your side. Okay, okay, okay. Now how do you hear me? Now it should be pretty good. Sounds okay, okay. Thank you very much, Amir, Yosef, Dror, Iris. Thank you very much, Amir, Eli, Tomer. What do you say about here? This chat over here. Do you like it? Or should I put it out? Over here you have this chat. Do you see the chat in the right left corner? All good. Okay, okay, okay. So, hi Orin. Thank you, Amir. What do we see? We are starting April 1st. New month, new day, new week, new quarter. What? No, you don't see the chat on the left side? Seems nice. No need? What do you say? You want or not? I can take it off, no problem. For me, it's no problem. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. It covers part. Okay, so let's take it out. So no chat. No need, no need, no need. Okay. It's out. It's out. How do you see me? Any English speakers in the chat now? Say hi, don't be shy. Also, if you're Hebrew speakers, say hi, don't be shy. Hit the notification bell. One second. I'm right with you. I changed settings and some are not, just doesn't work. Some settings doesn't work. I'm not a YouTuber. What can I do? I'm not a YouTuber. Can you look? It's covered part. I will check. I will check. First, did you see? During the long weekend we had many videos. We had top stocks in Hebrew, top stocks in English. We had Fibonacci retracement. How do you use it? For beginners, check it out. Everybody's also always asking me, what's your Fibonacci settings? How do I use Fibonacci? So here you have it. Check it out. Also, you can find it under the playlist, Fibonacci-Traders Academy playlist. There you go. Fibonacci-Traders Academy playlist. How to use Fibonacci. You have day trading versus swing trading. The truth about candlestick and about technical analysis. 40 videos, free playlist under the Fibonacci Academy playlist. So check it out. Also videos. We had the truth about Palantir. weekly review, all this. And you have here the Fibonacci Traders Discord. You're more than welcome to join us. We have trading floor in English, trading floor in Hebrew, day trade premium for swing trading. We have for day traders, sorry. I need to wake up. It's after a long weekend. I need to wake up. We have swing lounge in English and in Hebrew, options room, crypto, general chat. And we have a special zone for past, present, and future students. So join us. Join us, join us, join us. Too much noise. What do you mean about noise? We have the US 500 over here, 4 hours. Let's zoom in on the 2 hours. We gapped up as the futures started trading. Gapped up, and we know there are no gaps in futures. We are inside this uptrend channel, as you can see. Uptrend channel, this gap will get filled. We have Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Let's see if this lower border of this uptrend channel can manage. Otherwise, back to the 5221 and 5200. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Sideways move. Once it's breaking into the yellow zone of the FTI, breaking below, we are getting a slide. This is why I always say, keep your eyes on the yellow zone of the FTI. Once this zone gets broken to the downside or to the upside, you can be rest assured that a major move is incoming, and here we had it. Now, below the 52.54, this gap will get filled. So, do we have English speakers in our live? So what do you say? English or Hebrew? Pre-market preparations, live. English or Hebrew? What do you say? First, I want to see this over here. Only 840 subscribers. Almost 1,000 videos. I share all my knowledge with you. So come on, subscribe, hit a like, hit the notification bell, and let's grow this channel. Let's grow this channel. I want to see those likes. Give me some like, give me some likes. Only 15 likes, ladies and gentlemen. You can do better. You can do much better. Bring family, bring friends. Hit the like, hit the like. 1 second. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I need to put it over here. It's too big. Don't go away. Don't go away. Okay, hit the like, subscribe, hit the like, subscribe. I can continue with this all evening long. What did we have? Any questions? English. Faiz wants English. Faiz wants to become better in English. So any requests? Run for Amir. Let's check run. RUN. What do we see here? We are in a bullish trend under the 65 4 hours daily. Now let's see continuation. We broke above this downtrend channel. Let's see continuation above the 1360 and then 1470, and you have all the levels to the upside. Overall, run if you want to catch the uptrend. Now looks pretty good. As long as you are under a buy signal, your stop loss should be just around the 12.14, 12.10. This is why we have the FTI on the chart. One click away, and you have everything that you need. Also the stop loss. Manage your risk, everything according. Ford. Who asked for Ford? Ronen? If you are asking for Ford, it tells me one thing and one thing only. You did not this one, F. You did not watch my top stocks to watch, right? Did you or didn't you? Because it's part of my top stocks to watch. I'm looking for continuation above the 1330 towards 14 and then 1480. Uptrend, bullish, super nice setup for Ford for long continuation. G, General Electric. What can we say? Super bullish. We got ourselves the bearish signal on the 65 and on the 4 hours. So we need to zoom in. On the 4 hours, we broke below the uptrend channel. This is why we got ourselves the sell signal on the 65 and on the 4 hours. We broke the 4 hours uptrend channel. Now, the 173 needs to hold. Otherwise, 168. If you are already long on GE, your stop loss should be around the 190, 172.90 or just below the 168. You have the Fibonacci, you have the buy signal, you have the green line. You need to choose your risk tolerance. Meta. Ladies and gentlemen, every weekend, every day, I post 2, and during weekends I post more videos on my YouTube channel. This is why I always say subscribe and hit the notification bell, because most of your requests already included inside the top stocks and the weekly review. Meta is part of the Magnificent 7. Every day, every weekend I go over the Magnificent 7, SPY, Qs, all these names. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss it. Meta. Let's check Meta. How many likes? Meta sideways move below the 488. We will see 460 to the downside. MSTR also, Asaf, you did not see. The weekly market recap. MSTR is one of the stocks, one of many stocks that I'm going over every day. Daily market recap and of course weekly market recap. MSTR, we have a double top scenario over here. Be careful, below the 1650 we will see 1400 to the downside. Below this one 1035, below 1035 we might even see back to the 800. Of course everything depends also on the Bitcoin. Look at the Bitcoin triple top scenario, Ethereum double top scenario. Triple top on the Bitcoin can take us all the way back to the 63. The double top scenario on the 4 hours on the Ethereum can take us back to the 3300 to the downside. XBI. XBI, nothing much inside the yellow zone. Still inside a weekly uptrend, but we are under a very steep sell pressure. Long 2-3 days above the 97. My 2 cents on XBI. Hot. As long as hot is above the 1080, you are good to go long. Next is the 1185 and then 1360. You have a triple bottom, double bottom scenario that can take you all the way to 1813. It doesn't mean it will go there. It just means for now, it's more high probability that we will see 1360, 15, 16 and 18 to the upside, because we are bullish on the 4 hours daily and weekly. This is why I always say, put the FTI on your chart. It's like asking me. It's like you have me on your chart every day, all the time. Hi David, thank you very much. David, thank you very much for joining. Amir wants INFN. INFN. Bullish. Super nice. Long continuation above the 606 towards 650 and 7. What else do we have? Meta. We just talked about Meta, Avi. Thank you very much. Intel. Let's talk about Intel. Intel. We have bullish on the daily and the 4 hours on the 65. But in my opinion, we need to wait. I want to see continuation at least 2-3 days inside the yellow zone above the 44.30, and then you can start taking long towards this gap at the 49 area. But for now, in my opinion, patience is a virtue. GitLab. GTLB. Downtrend. You have a I don't know, inverted head and shoulder scenario if you're a pattern trader, so be careful. Bearish until proven otherwise. Hi Yosef, thank you very much for joining. What do you think about Roku? Roku? Never used their service. Roku basically moving sideways, nothing much. Below the 61.50, below this area, the 61.10, 50.50 to the downside. But for now, really nothing much on Roku. Look at this. 1.5 months. Sideways move, nothing much. IWM. Mookie. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss every day the market review. I post every day. I go over also the IWM. IWM. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Long continuation above the 211 towards 218 and 227 to the upside. Ronen, Microsoft. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell because Microsoft is a part of the Magnificent Seven. Magnificent Seven is always in my everyday daily market recap. Microsoft. Nothing much. 490 needs to hold, otherwise retesting the lower border of this uptrend channel. If you want to go long on Microsoft, in my opinion, you need to wait for at least 2 days above the 425. But as long as you are bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly over here, see this small table over here? It gives you everything that you need. Overall, the FTI gives you everything that you need. Hi Amir, thank you very much for watching. ULCC for Amir. Frontier Group Holdings, bullish on all time frames. You have this area, the 830 area, super tough resistance. Look left. It was support, resistance over here, support over here, super important area of support and resistance. Long continuation above the 833 towards 950 and 11 to the upside. Let's check once again. Futures. Let's take futures a little bit higher time frame. Inside the yellow zone, you see? Swing low, swing high. Broke inside the yellow zone, and the yellow zone is holding. Between the 618 and the 50. Below this one, you will see this gap at the 42.47 getting filled. So, who else is with me? Say hi. Don't be shy. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi. Don't be shy. Any more questions? Any more requests? Let's see what's going on with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Holding strong. This one is holding. Let's see. New day, new week. Any other questions? So, any English speakers in the chat? If so, say hi. If not, we will go. Hi, Alon. Thank you very much for joining. Amos. Oh, new names. Great to see you here. You are not shy. So say hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi. SQ looking good, bullish on all time frames. As long as you are above the 82.24, you're also holding inside this uptrend channel. If you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above the 87.30. Who else do we have? Roy, hi. Estian, thank you very much for joining. New names. What? Jumaya. Look at this. You don't even need me. Once you have the FTI on your chart, this tool that I have developed. טוב, אז נעבור לעברית. מה אתם אומרים? April's Fools. מה אתם אומרים? עברית? נעבור לעברית? כן או לא? מאוד מוזר לדבר בעברית. מה אתם אומרים? עברית או לא? Or I can stay in English. For me it's better in English. I don't know why. אבל יותר קל לי בעברית. Amos, why not? Yosef, doesn't matter. Amir wants yes. Asaf wants yes. Amos, why not? Yeah, it's super strange. Super strange. What to do? I don't know what to do. Help me. Ivrit or English? If we do Hebrew, we will do it twice a week. Monday and same. We will stay in English. No, not everybody is in Hebrew. Thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Asaf, thank you very much. Anyway, Jumaya, you put the FTI in your chart? English speaking needs to be improved. So look, we will do like this. Okay, Estian doesn't know Hebrew. This is the problem. We have viewers from all around the world. Anyway, Jumaya, JMIA, bearish, below this one, below the 490, 411 and 290 to the downside. What else do we have? Your English is good. Yeah, thanks, Stian. It's not about me. It's about my viewers. It's about my viewers. Once again, Asaf, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Let's continue this one in Hebrew, in English. And tomorrow we will do live in Hebrew. Okay? Tomorrow we will do live in Hebrew. We'll stay Monday and Wednesday. We'll stay in English. Tuesday, tomorrow, will be a pilot. Pre-market preparations in Hebrew. If it will go well. So we'll do 2 times a week English. Monday and Wednesday we will do in English. Tuesday, Thursday we will do in Hebrew. So tomorrow, if you want pre-market preparations in Hebrew, I need to see more likes and the subscribers count going up. This is how I know You want English. You want Hebrew. So anyway, Jumaya, downtrend until proven otherwise. What else do we have? Any? Gideon wants English. I can. By the way, you have simultaneously translation. If you work with Edge, Microsoft Edge, by the way, I transferred to Edge long time ago. I'm not using Chrome anymore. I'm using Microsoft Edge, and I can tell you this. Enough with Chrome. You don't need Chrome. You are right, Amos. You are right. If you don't know English, if your English is not good enough, the world will not understand you. You need English, at least basic English. AMD for Nissim. So once again, Asaf, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Thank you for this support. I do appreciate it very, very much. AMD, we are still in an uptrend, but bearish on the 4 hours, bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly. Below the yellow zone, below the 175, 163 and 143. So as I said, Monday from now, Monday and Wednesday, English pre-market preparations, and tomorrow I will do a beta pre-market preparations in Hebrew. Okay? Tomorrow it will be in Hebrew, and if I will feel enough comfortable to do pre-market in Hebrew, so we'll continue Hebrew on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay? And yes, we all need to improve our English, especially if we are traders and if we want to evolve and develop and truly understand what the rest of the world wants from us. We need to improve our English. Groupon. What do we see? Bearish. Look at this. Without the FTI, with the FTI. That's it. It's like having me on your chart. So check the links in the description below. The FTI. What does it say? Bearish on all time frames, on the 65, on the 4 hours, on the daily, and the weekly. Downtrend channel below the yellow zone. Sell signal. What else do you need? Short below the 1137, and then you will see 940, 820, 723, and 626. That's it. Of course, everything you see and hear is my opinion only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes. So, any more questions? Any more requests? Roku, we talked about Roku. Omer, thank you very much for joining. But if you want to look at Roku, go back, few minutes back, and we will talk about Roku. AI. Avishai, you did not see my top stocks to watch, haven't you? I have talked about this AI on my top stocks to watch list. I'm waiting. Look at this yellow trend line. Now I'm waiting for a trend reversal 2 days above the 28.55. Then I will start taking long. Short continuation below the 26.59 towards 23.80 to the downside. ACN. ACN. What's the volume on this one? Pretty nice volume. So let's see. Let's see how we analyze ACN. You see all these higher lows? Just take all this area is an area of support. It's an area. You see? Area of support. Now, once again, same as it did here, here, and here. Once again, bouncing off this area of support. Now you can take Fibonacci. You have this swing low, swing high. That's it. Long continuation, as long as it's above the 342, 343 area, good to go long. This area, the 364 area, will be tough resistance. Above it, this gap, the 374, will get filled. It was excellent, Avishai. So why are you asking again? No, just kidding. ACN. So this is my 2 cents on ACN. VAC for a Waldema. VAC, Marriott Vacation Worldwide. You have a trend reversal. Look at this. From down, right, now, up. Trend reversal. Towards where? Just put the FTI in your chart. You're bullish on all time frames. Long continuation above the 108 towards 116, 125. Your stop loss should be just below the 102.50. If you want to learn how to use Fibonacci, how to become a better trader, how to become a professional trader, and most importantly, how to make money. Let's get real, okay? Let's talk about making money through trading. Yes, it's possible. Yes, it's super hard. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes dedication. Yes, it takes patience. But I've been there. I went through everything that you're going through. Yerushalmi, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. I will be right with you with Tilray. And if you want to learn how to make money by yourself with lifetime access, guidance, support with me, nobody else, I promise you lifetime access for support, guidance in Hebrew or in English. And of course, all Discord channels will be open for you for lifetime. Check the links in the description below. Join me on this magnificent journey to become professional trader. To become a trader that makes money without asking anyone else's opinion. You have the one-on-one live mentorship program with me on Zoom. Only us, according to our schedule. One-on-one, live, English or Hebrew, or the same program pre-recorded, the online expert program. Same as the one-on-one and live. You have it in English, you have it in Hebrew. Lifetime access, support and guidance. Just think about it. You are getting, with one-time payment, you are getting guidance and support from a professional trader. From me. And I will teach you how to make money. What else? Tilray for Yerushalmi. What do we have here? We are still inside this double bottom scenario. Bullish on all time frames. Now we need to see that the 224 area, the yellow zone, needs to hold the support. We have a Doji Friday. Let's see the 224 holding a support. Long continuation as long as you are above the 241, 264, 290, and then 330 to the upside. What else? HLT Hilton. Same as Marriott. Super uptrend. Super bullish. Now some kind of a pullback to fill this gap. 211. 211 to the upside. Sorry, 211 to the downside. Thank you very much, Amir. Do appreciate this feedback. Amir is one of our premium members. You have this gap over here at the 211.20. Maybe this gap will get filled. And then next leg up, you're inside an uptrend channel. Your stop should be maybe below the 211, maybe below the 208. Depends on your risk tolerance. Did you talk about Shopify? Let's talk about Shopify. Shopify, nothing much. Bearish on all time frames, below the yellow zone. Nothing much on Shopify. SRRK. Scholar Rock Holdings. Sideways move. Long continuation above the 1790 towards 1930 and 21 to the upside. Hi Eran, thank you very much for joining this live. As I said, Monday, Wednesday, we are keeping live, pre-market live in English. Tomorrow, pre-market live in Hebrew. It's a beta version. Let's do an experiment. But I want to see those likes. I want to see those subscribes going up. Tomorrow, live, pre-market live in Hebrew. So bring friends, bring family. Spread the word. I don't know where, but spread the word. OLED, downtrend. Let's see another day or two hanging above the 169 area, and then maybe you can start taking long with 165 as your stop loss. So, once again, thank you very much for joining this live. Toda raba. Eran, we have talked about SQ. Please check. I don't know, a few minutes back. So, thank you very much. Toda raba. Tomorrow, pre-market live in Hebrew. מחר, 8:30 בבוקר, שעון ניו יורק, pre-market live בעברית. תביאו חברים, like, subscribe. Thank you very much for joining this live. Until the next video, until the next live. Enjoy the rest of your day.